Mhm.
Okay, so another client interview with Colin over here, client of Accounting Kings. And yeah, this interview will just talk about the experience of Colin, but also more about the firm, type of clients he's working with, and of course, the experience with Accounting Kings. So, yeah, Colin, can you maybe quickly introduce yourself, what you do with your firm, where you're located, and all the good stuff?
Mhm. Yeah, my firm is about 9 months old now, actually 8 months. Um, we've added on some good clients, a lot of them coming from Don. So it's been cool to to get a lot more client interface. Um, Definitely taking on a lot more appointments than I was before. Um, and it's been good. It's been good. I've been meeting some good people, um, good clients, signed a few of them. And it's been a good experience. And really, I honestly don't do much. All I do is sit back, um, and then I watch the appointments roll in onto the calendar. I show up for the meetings, and honestly, that's worth it on its own for me. So.
Yeah, awesome. I appreciate that. So, what were the things actually that you were doing before you started working with us to get more clients?
Before it was solely word of mouth, right? And that can get you some good clients, but it's not going to generate volume as far as clients go, right? So I mean, it's just a lot of sitting around and waiting if you're trying to do that, rather than reaching out and trying to get people onto your page, get people to book appointments with you. And Dan's really helped in that aspect. So it's been nice just
Awesome.
talking to more people, more potential clients. Um, Confidence on the phone has increased as well with all the training and material, and kind of uh, sales guidelines. I like. It's been nice too. Kind of definitely been more confident on the phone.
Yeah. And that's what we see with a lot of our clients is where they either don't have the time to their own marketing or just they don't have all the expertise to do it themselves. And in the best situations, they don't have the expertise, but also not the time to learn it. So then there's like they can never
Hmm.
kind of figure it out on their own. What would you say was the biggest bottleneck with you to actually get more clients?
The biggest what? Sorry.
Well, what was the biggest bottleneck, the biggest struggle in your situation to get more clients before you worked with us?
I was never talking to new prospects. Well, I mean, kind of like I was saying, like you can either sit back and wait for clients to refer to you, which will happen. Um, Probably not as often as you would hope or as often as you're going to think. Um, just being proactive and reaching out and trying to get those rather than waiting for them to come to you, it's going to be far more favorable, far more profitable, right? So just the more people you talk to, the more people you're going to sign.
Yeah.
And and the ads, yeah, and the ads I love just because I literally do nothing except for show up for the appointments. So.
Yeah. That's awesome. And it's true, like the more hands you shake, the more deals you will make. And that's the biggest thing I see accountants struggling with is where they have such an amazing service and they can provide a lot of value to their clients, but they just simply don't know how to get in touch with the people that actually can benefit from their services. So that's kind of the problem, of course, that we are solving. I'm also curious, what is the biggest thing you maybe learned from working with us?
That the Google ads actually work, right? I mean, I was kind of skeptical at first on like how many people are Googling like professional accounting services. But it turns out there's actually a lot. So, um, and that's probably been the biggest one for me is it actually does work. Um, and it's far more affordable than any other accounting advertising that I ever looked into. So
Yeah.
it's been nice.
Yeah, that's the thing because we've tried everything like Facebook, LinkedIn, even TikTok, Snapchat, organic ads. Thing with Google is the people sometimes they get a little bit scared because the cost per click can be higher. but the value of those clicks is just infinitely higher. And we always,
Hmm.
as accountants, they always want to get more the quality over quantity, right? You rather have a couple good clients than like 100,000 small individual tax preparation clients. And Google is the
Yeah.
yeah, right. And Google is the same. Like the search volume is lower, and you will get fewer clicks, but the value of the clicks is actually higher, which of course your
Hmm.
marketing strategy needs to translate to the things that you want to achieve with the business. So now what you are saying, it's something I also hear a lot of people. So yeah, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know that you're probably busy. So my last question then is, do you recommend other accountants that just want to get more qualified clients into their calendar and get more also monthly recurring revenue and just better clients in general? Do you recommend them to give Accounting Kings a shot?
Yeah, absolutely. Um, Especially if, you're one of the smaller firms like me, just trying to grow. I found it incredibly valuable. So absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much.